I made a decision about you, and I didn't make it in a moment of weakness. I made it in silence, in those late nights when your name kept showing up in my thoughts like a truth I couldn't escape. I watched the way you changed my world without even trying, the way you turned ordinary days into something I actually wanted to live. And I realized something simple, something real. Some people are just a chapter, but you feel like the whole story. So yeah, I made my decision about you, and it's not temporary. It's not confused. It's not a maybe. It's you. My decision about you wasn't sudden. It wasn't something I woke up one morning and just said, yeah, this is it. Number. It came slowly, like the kind of truth that doesn't ask for permission, the kind that shows up quietly and then refuses to leave. At first, I tried to ignore it. I told myself it was just feelings, just a phase, just a moment. But the problem is, you weren't a moment. You were consistent. You were there in my mind. When I didn't even invite you, you were there in the spaces between my breaths. You were there when I was surrounded by people and still felt alone. And I hate admitting this, but the truth is, you became something I couldn't replace. I kept thinking I was strong enough to control it, strong enough to act like it didn't matter, strong enough to pretend that you were just another name in my life. But every time I tried to push you away, life pulled you back in. Every time I tried to act cold, I ended up thinking about the warmth you bring. Every time I tried to move on, I ended up stuck in the same place because my heart was already sitting beside you even when my body wasn't. And you know what's crazy? It wasn't even about what you did, it was about what you became. You became the reason my days started feeling different. You became the reason I started noticing small things again, the sky, the music, the silence, the little moments that people usually ignore. You made me feel alive in a way I didn't expect. Not loud, not dramatic, just real. Like a calm storm, like peace that still has power in it. I started asking myself questions, the kind of questions you ask when you're trying to protect yourself. Is this real? Is this worth it? Is this going to hurt me? Because I've been hurt before. I've been disappointed before. I've trusted people before and watched them walk away like I was nothing. So yeah, I don't fall easily. I don't trust easily. I don't give my heart like it's some cheap thing anyone can hold. But you didn't feel like danger. You felt like destiny. And I know that word sounds heavy, but that's exactly what it is. Because no matter what I tried to do, no matter how I tried to escape it, I kept coming back to the same conclusion. You were not someone I wanted to lose. Not now, not ever. I watched myself change because of you. And I'm not talking about fake change. I mean real change. The kind that happens when someone touches your soul without even trying. I became more patient. I became more aware. I started thinking deeper. I started wanting to be better. Not for the world, not for people's approval, but because of you. Because I didn't want to disappoint the person who unknowingly became my motivation. And the funny thing is, I didn't even realize it at first. I thought I was just going through life like normal. But then I noticed something. When something good happened, you were the first person I wanted to tell. When something bad happened, you were the first person I wanted to run to. When I was tired, when I was stressed, when I felt like giving up, my mind didn't search for comfort in places or things. It searched for you, your voice, your presence, your energy, like you were my safe place in a world that doesn't feel safe. So, yeah, I made my decision about you, but it wasn't just a decision, it was a realization, a surrender, a quiet confession to myself that I couldn't deny anymore because my heart already hurt. Chose you long before my mind tried to act smart. My heart already saw something in you that my eyes couldn't explain. My heart already trusted you, even when my past was screaming at me to be careful. I tried to fight it. I really did. I tried to act like I didn't care. I tried to stay distant. I tried to stay silent. But every time you smiled, every time you spoke, every time you looked at me like you actually saw me, it broke every wall I built. And I hate how easy it was for you to do that. Because I've spent years building those walls. Years learning how to survive without needing anyone. Years convincing myself that love is dangerous, that attachment is weakness, that feelings are traps. But then you came into my life, and suddenly weakness didn't feel weak anymore. It felt human. It felt honest. It felt like I wasn't meant to be alone. It felt like I wasn't meant to keep running from something that was meant for me. I started thinking about the future, and that scared me. Because I'm not the kind of person who plans love. I'm not the kind of person who dreams easily. I'm not the kind of person who trusts the idea of forever, but you made me think about it. You made me imagine mornings with you. Quiet mornings, coffee, silence. Your hair is messy, your eyes still half asleep, and me sitting there, grateful that life didn't take you away from me. I imagined your hand in mine, not for show, not for attention, just because it belongs there, like it fits, like it's natural, like it was always meant to happen. I imagined protecting you, standing beside you, being the kind of person you could depend on, not the kind that makes promises just to sound romantic, but the kind that stays even when things get hard. Because I know love isn't just words. Love is not a poem. Love is not a perfect story. Love is messy. Love is heavy. Love comes with storms. Love comes with misunderstandings. Love comes with days when you don't feel like trying. And my decision about you wasn't based on the easy days, it was based on the hard ones too. Because even when I imagined the worst, even when I imagined fights, distance, pain, I still couldn't imagine walking away from you. That's when I knew it was real. Because real love doesn't run. Real love doesn't disappear when it gets uncomfortable. Real love doesn't get scared of effort. Real love doesn't leave when the shine fades. And I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not. I've got flaws. I've got scars. I've got a past that still whispers sometimes, but I also have loyalty. I have depth. I have a heart that doesn't love halfway. And once I choose fully. And that's what you need to understand. My decision about you is not temporary. It's not based on mood. It's not based on jealousy. It's not based on what people think. It's based on something deeper, something I can't explain with logic, something that feels like truth. I don't want someone else. I don't want a replacement. I don't want options. I don't want to keep searching because what I found in you, I don't think I'll ever find it again. You're rare. And I don't say that to flatter you. I say it because it's real. You have a kind of presence that stays, a kind of soul that leaves marks. And once someone like you enters a person's life, nothing feels the same after. So when I say I made my decision about you, I mean I'm done being confused. I'm done pretending. I'm done acting like you don't matter. Because you do. You matter more than you realize. You matter more than you believe. And maybe you don't see yourself the way I see you, but I do. I see your strength. I see your softness. I see your hidden pain. I see the way you try to be okay even when you're not. I see the way you care without asking for credit. I see the way you love in silence. And that kind of person, that kind of heart, that kind of soul doesn't deserve temporary love. It deserves someone who stays. And maybe I'm not rich. Maybe I'm not perfect. Maybe I don't have everything figured out. But what I do have is certainty. And that certainty is you. Because in a world full of fake feelings, fake loyalty, fake promises, you feel real. You feel like something I should hold on to. You feel like the kind of person I'd regret losing for the rest of my life. So, yeah, my heart chose you before my mind understood why. My heart made the decision first. My heart didn't ask questions. My heart didn't care about risk. My heart didn't care about fear. My heart just recognized you, like it knew you from somewhere deeper than this life, like it remembered you. And now my mind has caught up. Now I understand. Now I accept it. Now I'm standing here, not with confusion, but with clarity. Because I made my decision about you. And the decision is simple. I want you. Not for a season, not for a moment, not for convenience. I want you in my life in a way that doesn't fade, in a way that doesn't break, in a way that doesn't run. Because you didn't just enter my life, you changed it. And once someone changes your life like that, you don't let them go. You don't treat them like an option. You don't act like they're replaceable. You choose them every day, even in silence, even in distance.